Hello. Excuse me. We're doing this warm wax gel kit on my legs. She's doing it. She's not even in the picture. She's on her second bucket of cocktail. But this is happening. We just need to read the instructions. It's blue. It's blue. Right, we're gonna heat this fucker up and then...
Go for it.
I'm scared. We melted it.
I'm gonna cause you physical pain. Ooh.
Oh my god. Freaking cats.
It's still fucking boiling.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is this if it's clearly visible? Stick your finger in it.
No, you knob.
I don't know why it has to be blue. It's off-putting.
Well, what colour do you want it to be?
Like wax, like honey colour.
Oh.
Why does it need to be blue?
It's because it's visual, I suppose. It's like you can clearly see where it is.
I
If
suppose
it's
so.
like, say it was fucking cream or something, it just
So,
like, well,
I'm gonna just be prepared for some hairy legs. They are very hairy.
on a serious note, should I stick my finger on it?
Yeah, stick your finger in it.
That don't feel too hot to me. But...
She says it's fine. Are we just gonna do it here? Like this,
Are
just
we?
with my leg up?
Hang on.
Oh, we probably need to get a wax strip out, don't we? And probably read the instructions. Let us read the instructions. Calm down. We've read the instructions. Oh my god, if a cat jumps into the... What about if we get wax on a cat?
I mean, I'll try my best not to.
I'm hoping you can see.
Should I give it a fucking go?
If I can do it.
Right. Never, ever done it before. So it said in the... Is that hot?
That's nice.
Okay. I'm doing a fucking
Oh my
tiny...
God.
This is going to take forever, but fuck
Yeah.
it. Right, let's have a go. Right, then what? Stick a thing on it.
Put it down.
Oh.
Push it down. Then you've done too long
Shut
of a
the
bit.
fuck. Don't worry about it. It'll do. It's alright, don't worry.
And then you rip it off in the direction of the...
What, upwards?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Push it down and then fucking rip it off.
Are you ready though?
Yeah, I'm ready.
This looks like a really uncomfortable position, but fuck it!
Oh, it's fine.
And I got some,
Oh, there's loads.
but still loads.
I don't
That
know.
bit, that's
Like
empty.
one naked bit. One naked bit.
I mean,
No, you have to rip it off. I think they're too long to wax.
they're mega long.
They are like, that one's like 4
Where's
feet
this?
long.
Should we try there?
Yeah.
You know, what the fuck not? Let's make
try
it
a
up,
different
make
bit.
it look like a window. I'm okay with that.
This is the position.
Really is. Right, let's try a little bit here for shits and giggles. Slappy, slappy, slap.
You have to do it in the direction of the growth that
Oh.
way.
It's on, isn't it? It's fucking on.
She says I can have a bash on her legs as well. I'm going to find some hair on your legs.
I was going to say, good luck. But...
I'm going to find some. She's too fucking blondie ginger.
Yep.
To have any.
I was pale and minimal hair. Right, let's have another go.
Yeah. I think it's on.
Now what? I can't
just-
remember.
I just rip it off.
Oh, oh, hang on. I punched myself in the tit. Right in the tit.
I needed a wee.
Oh, oh, hang on. Got more that time.
Oh, you did. Do you remember when I waxed Malcolm's bum crack? Were you there when that happened?
Don't believe I was.
That was horrendous. And you can peel this off and reuse these again.
Hey,
Yeah, these are reusable.
like that.
Yes.
But
So we have one naked patch of hair just there. Oh, that's lovely.
should try a bit more then.
Yeah. We might have to actually go like, I feel like Steve Carell in the 40-Year-Old Virgin,
Well,
where there's just patches.
yeah, but you're not bleeding.
Just go down, straight
Where?
down, push straight down there. There you go.
But I can't do it too big.
You can
She told me off last
get
time.
a longer wax strip.
Yeah, but I don't think that's effective. I don't do things half, I do them properly or not at all. So don't ask me to do shit if you want me to, you know.
I think these wax strips are a lot long enough. She's made me cut them in half.
Yep, bothered. Are you ready yet?
Yeah.
Cool. Right. I'm not really leaving myself much of a tabby tab.
No.
It's right, we'll have a fucking another. Right, does it feel on?
It's definitely on. I didn't realise
Oh,
it.
sorry. Right, have another go then. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Oh. Oh, I've got loads then.
Oh, this is well good.
If you say so.
How do we clean the
I don't know.
It says you can reuse the wax strips. I don't know how. Any wax
After waxing.
material strips can be rinsed with water alone and dried and then reused for future waxing sessions. Okay, I'm gonna have a go.
On me or you?
Both of us.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna just put it on my leg. I've just put this bit on. And I'm now gonna try and rip it off. Oh, that was a really good one. Oh my god, it's amazing.
You're a spinner.
That's so good.
Gonna try and find something on me.
Yeah. Get your badge out.
Defo not my badge.
We could try a pit.
Try pit.
I'm gonna try a pit. Right, you hold this.
Not at me.
Hold it, no.
Can't you mount
No,
it?
I'm gonna put it here. Mount it!
Oh yeah, it's mounted.
I don't know why that's amused me so much.
Have I got a light? Do you know what I mean? What's that say?
I just snot bubbled.
Gary.
Right.
Gary, man.
You come over here. Let me get a pit. Oh, baby powder.
I've changed my mind.
You're not on the camera. This is...
Is it making you alive?
How many years of friendship is this?
No. 22? 23 this year.
Fuck me, we're old.
Oh, hang about. No, I'm not enjoying it. Oh well.
Right, that's nice and thin.
I'll try not to punch you though, because my immediate reaction might be to smash.
I'm like genuinely scared.
Should be, cunt. Oh, hang on.
Why should I rip it? Up or down?
Up.
Up.
Why did I say that?
Why did you say up?
Because that's the way it should
Ready?
be. I don't want to know. Change my mind.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! I didn't punch you, it's fine. Isn't it?
I didn't get any.
Oh.
I got some indentations of armpit. Did you get any hair? It's all there. Let's try again.
No. What do you mean try? I'm okay. I'm okay.
It's like you're a little pool of
No, don't
powder
be
in your boob.
Stop being a sap.
Right, let's try again.
Okay.
Should I rip down this time?
If you fucking do what you like anyway. Ow! It's a bit...
It's
yeah,
not nice. It's the,
no.
It hurts more having the wax put on than it does.
It's the drag,
Yeah.
I believe.
Right, let's try again.
No. It's not going to work down.
If it doesn't work, we're gonna
Not worry about it.
get your badge.
No.
Ready?
Mm.
I don't know if it's on there properly.
Yeah, get off me. Let me help. Oh, this is pleasant. Not.
Ready?
Oh, that was close. I nearly.
Oh, I got loads! I've got loads. Look at the follicles on. They're never growing back. They are never growing back.
That'd be nice.
Like that. That.
Did you do it down or up?
That was down on that one. That is never growing
No,
back.
but does it?
Look, that's never coming back. There's loads. Look at the black follicles on them.
Cheers then. But I can't. Looks a bit
There's an angry
sore.
armpit. There's an angry armpit.
Hope it smells fresh.
It smells lovely.
Bitchin'.
It's good. I'm just going to get your baby wipe to wipe off the wax.
I'm alright. Just chilling. Oh.
Nice and cool. Oh, stuck to your armpit wax.
Babe, on a serious note,
Yeah.
can I do yours? Have
I
you
haven't got
any
any,
armpits?
no. I showed mine yesterday.
Yeah, of course you did.
I did. Because they were
Beastly.
stinky.
Were they beastly?
They were fucking horrible.
It's alright, just leave your fucking legs though.
I did.
Right.
I left your legs.
No,
Right.
your legs.
I did.
That's okay.
That's never coming back. The follicles on that's never coming back.
Well,
never.
a patch of my armpit.
Well, next time, grow them longer. And then we'll do it properly. So, yeah.
What are you doing now?
So we've got... There's a
random one there.
Yeah, there's a random one just there.
A few there.
My Mia's still got some.
That didn't happen then, did it? Was that new or old?
Yeah, that's new. I don't know how that happened.
It's definitely 40-year-old version shit.
I know.
Got a hairy chest?
No.
Oh, shame.
I'm going to do
This bit.
Try
Can
this
I do
bit.
this bit?
Yeah, let's try this bit.
Let me do it live.
Do it live.
Excuse me very much. Right. Up.
I don't know whether the spreading
Up.
makes a difference. I think spreading down and then ripping up.
Well, no, because you ripped down on my fucking armpit.
Oh yeah, I did.
It's alright, we'll give it a
I
bash.
don't even know.
See what happens. We've got loads of it.
I know.
So we can have another go. Shall I use a big strip?
Yeah, I reckon.
Because I've got a big fucking wax bit. Right.
You're just not giving yourself a tab again.
Oh. Shh, kids asleep.
Just like, oh, my legs.
That's right, I'm rubbing it right in.
Get it in there.
Right, ready? Up.
Yeah.
Boom. Oh,
That felt like a good one. Yeah.
that was well hairy there. No, it's not.
Ooh. Lovely old job.
Yeah, look, loads.
Yep.
No follicles though.
No.
Nope.
Look at all that long hair.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Well, I think this is a success. Don't you?
Double thumbs up.
Next time she comes round, if we're brave, we'll do her badges. She just says she's never coming round again.
I'd get my vag out for you, Ducky.
I know you would. Right, we're going to go.
What are we going to do?
And we're going to finish waxing my legs so I don't look like Steve Carell.